The Moto X30 Pro is ready to offer a quick and accurate processing experience to professionals. It can also be used to play games as well as for other entertainment purposes. Moreover, the camera composition of this smartphone also deserves appreciation. No talking about display and camera, there is a 6.7 inches OLED installed on the Moto X30 Pro that offers crystal clear and comfortable visuals with its 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and 393 pixels per inch pixel density. The aspect ratio of this display is 20:9 and it is also covered with Corning Gorilla Glass to protect it from any physical damage. Moreover, the display also has a 144 Hz refresh rate that enables it to offer a smooth scrolling experience. The optics department of the Moto X30 Pro is carrying a triple lens camera system on its rear side. It includes a wide-angle primary lens of 200 megapixels resolution, an ultra-wide-angle lens of 50MP resolution and a depth lens of 12 megapixels resolution. Coming on the front side, the Moto X30 Pro is also holding a wide-angle lens of 60MP resolution and f2.2 aperture. About configuration and battery, the internal operations of the Moto X30 Pro are managed by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, and it comes in the company of an 8-core processor built with a combination of a Cortex-X2 single-core 3.2 GHz, Cortex-A510 quad-core 2 GHz and Cortex-A710 tri-core 2.75 GHz layout. In addition, there is also 8 GB RAM and an Adreno 730 GPU that promises seamless performance along with high-quality graphics. A 4610 mAh Li-polymer battery is installed within the Moto X30 Pro and it supports a 125W fast and wireless charging mechanism. Know about storage and connectivity: restricted. 128 GB internal memory is available inside the Moto X30 Pro and it is UFS 3.1 by type. Talking about its connectivity features, this Moto smartphone works with mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.2, NFC, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C, 5G, 4G Volt and a GPS with GLONASS.